Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Michelle here, and I'm here with a new video. So I'm here with an unboxing video of my 360 unit, which is a Yaki, Italian Yaki unit from Enoya on Amazon or AliExpress. You can find them on both of those websites. Anyways, I'm here to do an unboxing on how I installed this unit, and yeah, just let you guys know what this unit is all about. And yeah, if you want to learn more about it, then just keep watching. This is the 360 lace unit, and it is, I don't know the density on this unit, but it is 20 inches, and y'all, it is serving me 20 inches. Like, it really looks like it's, I'm pretty sure it's true to length. I didn't take a roller out and do that whole shebang because I'm not about it, but I'm pretty sure it is 20 inches. It is long. It is beautiful. It is so soft. So let me come up a little bit closer. As you guys can see, that's the Yaki texture. It is so soft, you guys. Like, I am in love. Like, this hair is so soft. Like, I can't believe, like, there's no shedding. I'm not getting no shedding, no tangles. I had my boyfriend running his fingers through it, and he was just like, wow, like, this hair, he was like, yeah, it's good. It didn't come with any special boxing or anything like that, so it wasn't like super cute, but it just came in this Enoya bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I'm pretty sure that's how it would be pronounced, Enoya. But what I love is that this vendor is actually an AliExpress vendor, but I believe that they've also, you know, included Amazon and as a place where you could purchase their units from as well. So that's where I got this from. I had the Amazon Prime, so it only took 2 days to ship, which is awesome. Like, and it's a big step up from AliExpress, because you know, when you have AliExpress, you gotta wait about 30 days because it's shipping from China. But luckily, like, these AliExpress vendors are starting to be more smart about it, and they're starting to go from like AliExpress and then venture onto like Amazon and stuff like that, so we could have faster shipping, which works for me. It came right in time, which I'm so happy about. So as you guys know, it is lace, so I could part it wherever I want and it's good. Now, I was planning on bleaching the knots for you guys and doing all of that, but you guys, I have all the developer in the world, but no bleach, like no bleach packets or anything like that, none of that powder packet to mix with the developer. So I was so sad. So I'm gonna have to do that another day. For today, I'm just gonna straighten the unit, and then I'll cut the lace and stuff like that, but I'm not able to bleach the knots today, but I think I'll manage and I'll be okay for today. Yeah, I'm just really impressed. I was a little skeptical because this is my first time like getting, you know, some stuff off of, again, a unit off of Amazon. So I'm actually really impressed. Knowing you guys did your thing. And the thing about it that had me like confused why there isn't more reviews on this hair and this vendor is because I looked it up on YouTube and I barely seen any reviews, like no recent reviews on this vendor, and I was just really confused. And all the reviews on Amazon were great, so I was just like, why is there not a video on this vendor? So I decided I'm gonna make the video for Enoya, a more up-to-date recent video, because all the other videos were pretty much like so old that it's just like you don't know if the quality is still the same, or if they've improved their quality or their packaging or anything like that, which their packaging looks like it's been the same, and the quality must be the same compared to like all the other videos I've seen on here. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it, and I'm just going to begin to probably straighten the hair first, and then I'll cut the lace. So my straightener wasn't even on, and I'm over here recording for you guys. Like, I'm a damn fool.
Table turned, he had to
done straightening the hair, and I'm just going to cut the lace off and we're gonna go from there. So it is a 360 unit, and I remember I tried to make my own 360 unit, and you know, that one, it's holding up, but it's not what's up. So the fact that I bought one is good. I'll still have to practice and get better at making my own, but for now we're just gonna cut this lace. And I really like the texture of the hair. This is so me. Like, I will continue probably to buy from them. Enoya, if you guys want to holla at your girl, let me know, because I am really impressed with this unit. So yeah, anyways, let's continue. Just gonna make a cut. I'm trying to do that whole follow my hairline type thing. So that's what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm cutting not too close to like the baby hairs that this, I don't even know if this unit has baby hairs. I'm trying to cut not too far back and possibly mess up the hairline or anything else. So I'm cautiously proceeding. Wow. I don't know what it is, but every time I'm making a YouTube video, it's like I can never talk correctly. Anyways, this is how much I've cut off. This is what the hairline's looking like. I don't even know why I'm coming up closely when I could just zoom in, you guys. But this is what it's looking like so far. I left a little bit of lace. And I'm probably really not going to pluck the part or pluck the front, because every time I pluck the front of a hair unit, I end up just making that unit go bald. So we're not doing it. We're not going to do that. But this is what it looks like. I'm about to cut the back and I'll be right back, you guys. Right now, I'm just going to keep it like this for now. But that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment down below and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, YouTube.